Designs for molded parts must meet many criteria, from appearance to dimensional stability. Ribs are a design feature that adds strength and stiffness to molded parts. In this lesson, we will look at ribs, specifically rib height, as an essential component of part design. In this lesson, you will learn how to determine optimal rib height based on nominal wall thickness and rib thickness, why tall ribs can create molding challenges, how different materials affect fill patterns for different rib heights, the effects of rib height on injection pressure, flow front temperature, and the frozen layer. As we saw in the previous lesson, when integrating ribs or rib structure into a design, there are several factors to consider. These include rib thickness, rib height, draft angle, rib location, number of ribs, polymer material. In this lesson, we will focus on rib height and the fill behavior of the ribs. As we saw in the previous lesson, rib thickness depends on numerous factors, the most important of which is nominal wall thickness. Once rib thickness has been determined, the rib height along with the minimum draft angle will determine the thickness of the top of the rib. Using a simple formula as seen on the screen, generally the rib height H should not exceed 3 to 5 times the wall thickness of the part, T. The examples for this lesson will use a box part with 2 rib heights, one 25 mm and the other 30 mm. We will compare the 2 box parts with different rib heights using 2 different materials. One is a PC material with an MFI of 15 grams per 10 minutes and material freeze temperature of 172 degrees Celsius. The other is a PP material with an MFI of 10 grams per 10 minutes and a material freeze temperature of 107 degrees Celsius. Let's start with the PC material, which has a more challenging flow characterization than the PP material. The goal is to fill the part in 2 seconds with a mid-range mold and melt temperature. This animation shows the fill pattern for the PC molded part with the taller rib height of 30 mm. You can see the fill pattern clearly indicates that the ribs and sidewalls cannot be filled, indicating a severe short shot condition.